Let's understand about molecular mass. And what do you mean by this? Now, molecular mass is basically nothing but the sum of atomic mass of all atoms in a molecule of a particular substance. Now we saw earlier that a molecule is what? A molecule is nothing but a combination of two or more atoms. So when two or more atoms combine under a chemical formula, they form a molecule. Molecular mass is basically nothing but a sum of atomic mass of all these atoms. So let's say if the weight of the first atom, let's say call this as A1, let's call this as A2. So the molecular mass basically will be the sum of the mass of this and sum of mass of this. So let's say, suppose, you can take any of these. Let's say again I take sodium chloride. And let's say the mass of sodium and chloride, I'm just taking example, these are not the exact numbers. Let's say the mass of this is 8 unit and let's say the mass of this is 5 unit. So 8 plus 5, 13. 13 unit is the molecular mass of this item. Again, I'm repeating, these are illustrative only. You can take the actual one. This was the simplest one. Let's take something else. Let's take sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate basically comprises of sodium and nitrate. So again, take the weight of this. Weight, I mean, is the atomic mass. Take the atomic mass of this, add it. You get the molecular mass. In some cases, wherever you might have a larger number of atoms, you multiply the weight of one atom with that. So let's say in water, you have 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So whatever is the atomic weight of hydrogen, you multiply that by 2 plus multiply that by weight of 1 oxygen atom, and that will give you the molecular mass of water. Right? So that's how basically you compute the molecular mass. Find out which are the atoms which comprise a particular molecule. Okay, and then add on the weight of all these atoms. If there are more than one atom for a particular item, multiply it by that number, and then basically you kind of get the molecular mass of that particular molecule.